Hello everyone, welcome to Rector Plus. In this course, we'll learn basics of C language. So now, let's start the lecture. That is Introduction to C language. C is a powerful, general-purpose programming language that was developed in the early 1970s by Dennis Ritchie at Bell Laboratories. It is known for its simplicity, efficiency, and flexibility, making it one of the most widely used and influential programming languages. Here are some key points about C. First one, low level access. C provides low level access to memory and allows direct manipulation of hardware, which makes it ideal for system programming like operating systems and embedded systems. Second one, procedural language. C is a procedural language, meaning it focuses on a sequence of actions or procedures to accomplish tasks. Programs are structured around functions which help organize and reuse code. Now, third one, that is portability. C programs can run on different machines with little to no modification, which was a breakthrough in software development at the time of its creation. Now, fourth one, that is efficient execution. C allows for efficient execution of programs, often used in applications where performance is critical, such as game engines, real time systems, and software that runs on resource constrained devices. So, now, fifth point, that is syntax. C has a relatively simple syntax, making it easier to learn compared to other languages at the time. However, it also gives the programmer significant control over the program. Now, sixth one, that is standard library. C provides a standard library that includes built-in functions for handling tasks like input-output, memory management, and string manipulation. So now let's see how to create your first C program. For example, a hello world program is often the first step in learning any new programming language, and C is no exception. It helps to understand the basic structure of a C program and how to compile and run it. So now let's see steps to create your first C program. Open a text editor. Use any text editor, that is Notepad, TextEdit, or a code editor like VS Code, Sublime Text, etc. to write your code. Now write the following code into your text editor. Explanation of the code. Here, as includes studio.h. This line includes the standard input-output library, which allows the program to print messages to the screen. Next, into main function. This defines the main function. The program always starts running from the main function. For example, print of hello world. This function prints the message hello world to the screen. The slash n creates a new line after the message. Next, saving the file. Save the file with a .c extension. For example, hello.c. Next, compiling the program. To compile the program, you need a C compiler. How to run the program? After compilation, you can run the program by simply using the key Ctrl plus F9, displaying the output. When the program runs without any errors, it will display the output. Now, let's see preprocessor directives in C. The preprocessor directives are instructions that are processed before the actual compilation of code. These directives begin with hash and are handled by the preprocessor. Various types of preprocessor directives. First one, file inclusion. It defines hash include. It is used to include header files. Next, macro definition, which is known as hash define. It defines constants. Next, conditional compilation. It includes if, else, elif, and if. Last one, undefined macros. It is used to remove the macro definition. Basic structure of C programming. It follows a specific structure that includes several components. Here is breakdown of the structure of C program, starting with preprocessor directives. These includes header files like studio.h for standard input-output functions. Next, function prototypes. It declares functions before they are used in main function. Next, global variable declaration. The variables declared outside the main function are accessible throughout the program. Next, the main function. Every C program must have a main function. The execution of the program starts from the main function. Next, variable declaration. Inside main function, the variables are declared before they are used. Next, input-output operations are also known as IO operations. Printf function, it is used to display the output on the screen. Scanf function, it is used to read the user input. Return statement, return 0, it indicates successful execution of the program. Data types and variables in C. Variables in C. In C programming, variables are named storage locations that hold data values, and each variable has a specific type that determines kind of data it can store, like integers, characters, floating point numbers. Data types in C. In C, Data type define the kind of data a variable can store the values. The data type includes integer, int, character, char, floating point, float, double, and void. Modifiers like signed, unsigned, short, and long. Classification of data types. Integer data types. Int, short, long, signed, unsigned, char, floating point data types. Float, double, and other data types. Void, pointers, user defined data types. Here is the simple program on data types. Operators in C. In C language, operators are special symbols that instruct the compiler to perform specific mathematical, logical, and assignment operations on operands like variable, constant, and expressions. First one, arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operator refers to symbols or functions that perform mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Relational operator. A relational operator is defined as a symbol. It compares two values and determines the relationship between them is true or false. Logical operator. A logical operator is a symbol or word used to connect two or more expressions such that the value of the compound expression. Common logical operators includes and, or, not. A bitwise operator is a character that represents an action taken on data at the bit level as opposed to bytes or larger units of data. Assignment operator. In C, the assignment operator is used to assign a value to a variable. The most basic assignment operator is equals to. Conditional operator. It consists of question mark and full colon.